Okay guys, what's up? Another watch, another day pare. We're here behind the desk with Patrick69 ulit.
Ganda ng desk
Pinakamatalino sa mundo ng relo. Ikaw nga ba?
Claim ng ganun.
Mga galit ka sa
Hindi mo sure, hindi mo sure.
Eh, ngayon di claim it, pare. Okay, we're here today with you because we got two magnificent watches. Something you
Beautiful.
have never seen before pa. Actually, first time ko lang makakita nito, mga to. These are Rolexes, but there's a twist. I don't know personally kung ano yung story nito, bakit ganito to. We're all here to find out. So, Patrick69 is here to educate us a little bit about these watches.
Kasi interesting
Kinahiram
watches eh.
Do a video about it. Sa mga nagko-collect dyan, mga nasa mundo ng horology, this is something you'll be very interested at. Let's start with this one. Tell us about this watch.
So this is a Skeleton Concept. Skeleton Concept is yung brand.
Same ba siya
They're
dun
an
sa
atelier-
Artisan?
Yes, yung Artisan de
brand.
Genève. They also heavily modify Rolexes.
So, heavily modified talaga.
Heavily modified Rolex to. Yung movement nito is still based on the original Rolex 3135 movement.
So, they're still using the same movement.
Yes, pero heavily, as in almost unrecognizably modified siya. Skeletonize siya. Lahat nung possible material na mababawas, binawas nila. Kumbaga yung frame lang, yung structure, yung essential lang sa structure ng watch and sa movement yung tinira.
Okay.
Tapos yung case niya is titanium. Kaya napansin mo kahit itong
yeah,
dito,
magaan.
sobrang gaan.
So, these are titanium. So, this is the watch. This is a very nice, it has an orange bracelet, napakaganda. It resembles a Hulk.
It's
na-
based off of a Hulk.
based off a Hulk.
116 610 LV. Ayun yung base watch. When Skeleton Concept began with the watch, it was a Hulk. It was originally a Hulk. Pero, ang story kasi nito, si A. Brown, if mananotice mo dito,
Saan?
sa harap,
Oh, Antonio Brown.
may A. Brown 81. Si Antonio Brown is a football player in the NFL. Well, retired na.
Parang commemorative
Hindi
piece?
commemorative. Buhay pa siya. Buhay pa si Antonio
Okay.
Brown.
Sorry.
Pero,
Di ko alam.
more of si Skeleton Concept. I noticed based on researching kasi, they're more on create a piece upon request. So si Antonio Brown had a Submariner, a Hulk. He went to Skeleton Concept to request a unique iteration of the Hulk. No, with the
Pare,
orange strap.
pati yung clasp
Yes,
titanium,
that's also
and it still
titanium.
has the glide lock.
These
Honestly,
aren't cheap.
nagagandahan ako dito.
Yes.
It's weird, but nagagandahan ako. One thing I noticed is yung date, pare, yung date,
Yes.
what do you call this? The date window
yung
and,
indices niya,
yeah, and the date wheel.
yung date
is
wheel is
kita.
clear, yeah.
And pare, yung Rolex mismo na nakalagay.
Yes,
And yung
saan
mga
siya nakalagay?
numbers sa glass.
Hindi na siya sa dial. Sa 3135, almost unrecognizable.
Can I try?
Yeah, of course. Yung base plate ng watch is a solid piece of metal. So, hindi siya ganun kaganda kung i-display mo kasi wala kang makikita. Mabablock niya yung half the view. So, ngayon, skeletonize nila. Lahat ng matatanggal nilang material, yung essential material lang, that's structural to the movement, yun lang tinira nila.
Well, when you have a watch like this that screams too much details na, you have to wear something simple.
The watch is the outfit.
The watch is the outfit,
Yes.
basically. So the watch speaks a lot of story na. Yan na yun. Eh.
Yeah.
Ganda. Maganda siya, honestly. So wait lang. Do you have any idea how long they took them to create this watch?
This was released in 2021 eh.
Tapos pati yung bezel niya, may
Modified.
modified ng
Yeah.
hint ng mga, may hint ng oranges eh. Dito from the 12 o'clock up to the 3 o'clock. What do you call this? The sub-minutes.
Tapos mapapansin mo dito sa 9 o'clock, there's an A. Brown 81.
Yeah, A.
81
Brown,
is his number kasi when he was playing.
Okay. So, another question is, how many of these have they created?
Super
Skeleton
limited
Concept.
nga.
Really?
Only 55 pieces in the world. This is brand new. Hindi kasi Rolex Submariner is the most common Rolex eh. Kumbaga eh, one of the most common.
So-
Pero ito, limited to 55.
My other question, 55 watches to more than months. I would say more than 6 months to pare para gawin.
Yeah, mga over a
1
year
year
pa
na
nga to develop this watch. For sure more. So SRP is
It's around 3.5 siguro,
3.8
3.6.
million. Yeah, maybe around there. 3.5 to 4 M. Pero this one is for sale at 3.815 million pesos.
3.8.
For a 2025 brand new limited to 55 pieces commemorative watch.
So the Steel Hulk right now goes for around 1.1.
1.2 actually. 1.2 to 1.3 na.
So tumaas
It's
nga.
increased.
So for this one, pare, this is almost
Thrice
like
the price.
thrice the price.
Almost exactly thrice
What
the
do you
price.
think? Is it worth it? 3.8 million.
3.8 million. At this level, isipin mo, for you to create a case, a bezel, a clasp, tas only produce
Titanium.
55 of it, 55 of them, tas
And-
yung material mo pa is titanium, very
Yeah.
hard to work with.
And other than that, Skeleton Concept already made a name for themselves na kasi. So they're quite known na sa horology industry.
Yung craftsmanship din naman. More than the name,
and
I
I'm
think it's
sure
the
that 55 was sold quickly. Then if the market gets it, if the market buys it, then what do you guys think? A Skeleton Concept.
I don't know how many of these are in the Philippines. I don't want to claim it's the only one, pero possible. Ang movement ng Rolex, yung mainspring, hindi mo nakikita kasi
Nakatago
enclosed
sa
barrel.
drum di ba? May parang
Enclosed
drum siya
barrel.
na...
Ito, tinanggal. So, kita mo,
Kaya nga eh.
pagka winawind mo, nakikita mo nag-aano yung mainspring.
Actually, the more that you look in it, the more that you'll appreciate the craftsmanship that Skeleton Concept did.
Well, yung craftsmanship din ni
Pati
Rolex.
ito ha, Daytona.
One by one, binrake down yung 3135 movement to drill, to put holes basically in the case, in the movement.
Para
just to make it
makita.
lighter, just to make it more visible as a skeleton.
Now this one.
This one naman, like I said, it's in line with yung theme na parang it pays homage to someone. This is the Pastor Maldonado Daytona. Pastor Maldonado is an F1 driver. F1, like yung Formula 1 racer siya. Back in the 2000s, 2010s, he was a well-known figure sa F1.
Pare ito ha, wait lang ha. When I wind it, pare
Kita mo
makikita mo yung mainspring.
Yung mainspring, ayun nga yung pinapaglaroan ko kanina.
Before you tell me more about this,
Yes.
I wanna appreciate it in a
Sige,
way na
go.
pagaganahin ko yung chronograph. I'll see if there's something.
Kita mo nag-unload yung mainspring. You can stare at it for days. Di ka mabobore. This one is also fully titanium, even the bezel, the whole case, the bracelet, the clasp, yung pushers, yung crown, everything is grade.
So for this one, full titanium, Daytona, ano kaya base nito?
This one is the 3135 movement. This one is based off of yung Panda na previous generation. Well,
So
I'm
the
not sure if
11.
Panda. Yeah, 116500 reference. Feel ko baka kinuha nila yung sa two-tone. Possible, di ba?
Okay, yeah.
Kasi lower value eh.
Yeah.
It's the same movement naman eh. Pero same with this. This skeletonized the whole movement, removed what they could remove, leave yung structural parts lang to present you with that.
Pare art na nga si Rolex.
Yes.
Ginawang art
Ginawa sa
pa.
art pa. It's a modern take.
How many was ever released?
This one is 45. This one naman is rare. Less than circulating in the world. 45
Less than,
pieces lang.
less,
45
less
pieces.
than.
Yeah, versus
So this
this.
is 45 pieces lang.
Makikita mo yun sa likod. Like for this for example is 19. 19 out of 55 to.
Ooh,
Ayan.
ito 22.
22 out. So I'm sure yung mga
Yung
1...
21 to, tinago ko na.
O yung mga 1, yung mga 55 probably command a higher price kasi,
Can I try?
diba? Of course. Full set, full links, ang haba niyan, for sure kasha. It's the 4130 movement ni Rolex. Sobrang stealth look niya.
Stealth look siya, very
Parang siyang 115,
mysterious.
116520 pero matte yung finish, brushed yung finish.
Yeah.
Diba? Because of the titanium, it's not very shiny eh.
From the far pa lang, alam mo nang
Iba
hindi
yan.
yung usual na Rolex eh.
Na-intrigue ako kanina. Tingnan mo yung second. Tingnan mo kung saan nakatayo yung hands. Isang maliit na pin lang nakaganon tapos umikot lang siya. Crazy.
Para super 3D siya na.
Yes.
Let's
This
go down
one-
to the price.
This one is only, kung ito 3.8, ito nasa 4.4. So 600,000 peso difference lang.
Parang yung difference lang nila pare sa SRP.
Yes.
You think Skeleton Concept kept it that way?
You think they got it brand new tapos I wouldn't be
I mean,
surprised.
I mean,
I wouldn't be surprised na they got brand new pieces to work with. Kasi syempre, you have to consider yung wear and tear pagka-used.
pero
So,
pare,
yun
the
ang
risk that
brand
they're taking to make a watch like this, to
Yes.
expose that drum, everything.
Sobrang risky work niya.
Pare, I would imagine something goes wrong lang dito, pare, palitrelo sila eh.
new. Craftsmanship talaga.
So
you have to admire.
if we're talking about risk-reward ratio natin, talagang they have to sell this for around 4.5, di ba?
Yes.
Just to make sure that if they get 3 watches wrong lang, pare, ROI na sila. Ang tanong, pare, may warranty mo ba to sa Rolex? I doubt.
Unfortunately,
Are they officially recognized by Rolex?
no third-party modifier. Walang recognized si Rolex.
Okay.
Si Rolex, as soon as you kahit i-polish mo sa third party, void ang warranty. Polish lang ha, you don't have to open the case.
Ito ba ha?
Void ang warranty. I've had a few experiences na void yung warranty. Kaya you have to be careful. Last, if you would notice, yung blue dial niya, if you look at it, it's not a bright blue. This is a blue-gray. Kulay nung car ni Pastor Maldonado when he was racing. Parang elf blue. Elf kasi was their sponsor sa
Pero
Williams.
maganda.
Ang ganda niya. With the titanium bracelet lang in case.
So pare, with your hard-earned money, di ba? Would you buy any of these?
Kung may 4 million plus ako to burn, na lahat ng problema ko solved na in the world, I would go for the Daytona, yeah.
I might actually go for the Daytona. Una pare, mas nagandahan ako dito.
Yeah. Pero nakita mo,
Pero nung nakikita ko na yung Daytona, especially the
yung levels of the
details,
dial,
yeah.
levels of the movement, sub-dial.
Pare si Rolex, dapat gumawa talaga ng ganito
Oh,
eh.
crazy. Pero masyadong, alam mo naman si Rolex is very conservative eh. Ikaw, Daytona ka din. For
I think-
4 million
Just
pesos.
because gusto mo ng Daytona, I would go for this one.
Pero syempre, I mean, yung Rolex purists out there, I'm sure will cringe. Sinaya nyo, binaboy nyo yung watch. Pero wala, kanya-kanya tayong trip.
Yeah.
Hindi porket hindi mo trip.
And if
trip ng
people
iba.
bought it for that and it sold
Yeah.
out real quick and it's only 55.
These are sold out actually. Both of these are sold out.
Yeah.
As
Diba?
yung last alam ko, sold out na sila.
So mayroon din kung may Rolex fans, there are also skeleton concept.
Yeah, it's like people who modify cars. Ito yun. Ito yung lab na
Nice.
if ayaw mo makasalubong
This
na,
I could rock.
Yeah.
Easily. Easier than the
Strip mo
Daytona.
yung may ganyan din eh.
Yeah.
Strip mo yung ganyang strap.
What do you guys think? Would you rock one of these?
Comment
Would you
nyo.
like it? Would you buy it? Let us know. This is something we've never seen before and you don't see every day. So, super conversational piece.
I'm sure if you're wearing this to a dinner, wala kang katulad. Lahat sila, wow, ano yan?
That's why I stick with vintages eh.
Well, Rolex is Rolex.
Is it though?
Rolex is reliable. So I'm sure this is still reliable.
If you're interested in these watches, let us know. If it's still with us, then
Yeah.
we'll be more than glad.
Kung gusto nyo walang katulad, go for these pieces.